Malishka needs no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for talking to ikarmic.com, Malishka. We noticed while you were just walking that you've got some really cool diamonds.
Yes, I'm a diamonds girl and I love them.
What's it with diamonds and girls? I mean, what if I was to give you like, some chocolates and flowers and regular gifts? I mean, what's the big deal? It's a gift at the end of the day. The thought counts, right?
These boys, whoever told you the thought counts? It's a ridiculous thing. I'm going to tell you a quick story. Friend of mine, I used to always tell him, you need to propose to the girl with a diamond ring. The man kept postponing and then one day he said, what's the big deal? It's just a diamond ring. He went outside the store. He stood outside the store for 20 minutes and he shivered. And he left because he could not buy the diamond ring. The next day he went and bought it again. And that's how he knew. They say diamonds are forever. That's how he knew he wanted to be with this girl. Because when he brought that diamond, it's literally like the stone told him, dude, if you're doing this, this is for keeps. You can't tata around with this. So that's it. So diamonds have that power.
Okay, but you know what? When we are going out shopping, we know we can do our research on mobile phones, gadgets, cars, gizmos, etc. What are the 3 tips that you would like to give men when they're going out shopping for their women to buy a diamond?
Go to someone you trust, because in that way you won't get lost. Ideally, try and figure out what your woman likes, because very often women eventually end up wanting to buy their own ring because men have no taste. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. For someone who talks for a living, that was badly said. I mean, men may not necessarily know what their woman likes, is what I'm saying. So they may get it wrong and you may end up overspending. Your woman likes something dainty and you buy her a big ring. What's the point? Save your money. So always get your girlfriend's opinion on it subtly. You may want to surprise her, do it subtly, and tell your girlfriend that, baby, as time goes and our love grows, I'm going to add to those diamonds. I'm going to add to those diamonds.